We have all heard of the incredible beauty of our planet's oceans, but have you ever considered what it would look like if we drained them? Let's imagine what our Earth would be like without the vast bodies of water that cover it. First, we will set the lighting to surface lighting in order to have a better view of the simulation. We will also slow down the Earth's rotation a bit. After we've done that, the next step is to remove the Earth's atmosphere in order to see our result better. In order to do that, we will go to the menu, then go to Surface, then Atmosphere, and there we will set the mass of the atmosphere to 0. I assume that without the atmosphere, all living things would no longer be able to exist, because the atmosphere is an essential component for life. After setting the mass of the Earth's atmosphere to 0, you can clearly see the surface of our planet as well as its oceans. Earth looks so vulnerable without the atmosphere. The next step is to reduce the level of the oceans and seas to 0. Without its vast waters, planet Earth would seem barren and lifeless. Imagine a world without the beauty and life of the oceans, rivers, lakes, and streams that we know and love. And finally, let's melt the Arctic ice and restore Earth's atmosphere to see what it would look like. After we melted the ice, we got a brand new ocean, but the rest of our planet still looks barren and lifeless. From the simulation, it is evident that there have been dramatic changes in the Earth's landscape over time. Where we used to see oceans and seas, there are now gaps where they once were. And finally, let's restore the Earth's atmosphere and see what it would look like. His is the result: planet Earth with a new ocean and a renewed atmosphere. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It's always great to have you along for the ride. Until the next video, stay safe and take care of yourself. See you soon.